rub the dog, pet the dog. Right, that's what you do. If you want to calm yourself, get yourself a dog.
Hi, what's up, you beautiful people? Back with me again, RUSMIX alive.
And me, the angry chipmunk, and me, the angry
I
chipmunk.
would like to share with you guys. Whether you consider yourself to be an artist or not, I hope by the end of this video, you will learn something or even pick up something or felt something. In my opinion, everyone is an artist at some degree, whether you are into music, acting, animation, or even just a content creator.
Bruh, why even are you making this video, bruh? Don't do it. Don't, bruh.
Yo, will you shut up? Will you shut up and let me explain? Please?
Shh, listen to me, bruh. Just draw the damn thing and then put a cool music just like everyone is doing it. Do that, bruh. Nobody is gonna listen to your bullshit.
Alright, sorry about that. Let me explain. Now, a lot of you guys have been telling me, RUSMIX, I post my artwork on Instagram and YouTube, and there's some very bad comment saying that I'm not good enough, my artwork looks awful. What if I tell you that you have made an impact in your artwork? Let me explain. This might change your perception. Every artist has a purpose in their creation. For example, in this video, I'll show you a childish-like simple doodle while discussing a slightly deeper understanding about art. People might be triggered, or some of people might think this is not even an art. What is this? Why am I even watching this? Or maybe some of people might like it. That's the purpose of the artist itself. If someone can create any emotion while you're watching an artwork or listening to music, the artwork itself have done its job. The job of an artist is not just to create beautiful painting. Instead, to create something that might provoke, to stimulate others' perception, to make the viewer felt something.
Are you even done, bro? Where is the bass gonna drop? Where is the music? Come on, bro. Are you even done?
Okay, let me just sum this up. Since my chipmunk is just complaining all the time. Alright? Next time you get a dislike or you get a bad comment about your art, remember that you have done a great job. Because whether it's a positive or a negative emotion, an artwork is supposed to create some kind of reaction to the viewer. I hope that helps, and keep on creating what you feel fun to create.
Can I crank the music up right now? Can I crank the music up right now? Seriously, bro, it's getting boring right here.
Oh my god. Alright. Crank the music up.
Yeah. Finally, you're done with your gibberish talk.
Alright, I almost forgot. It's time for shout-out session. Alright, I'm gonna read some of your comments. I want to draw like you because you are my top favorite person that I love. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shout out to Foxy the True Love, Teja Artist, Pierce Allen, and all of the rest. Okay, thank you so much for your comment. Also, leave a comment if you want to shout out at my Facebook. Post your artwork to me. You know where to go. Thank you.